Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says explain preparation of silicon with the help of chemical reactions. In these questions, we have to explain the preparation of silicon. इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे क्या पूछा गया है कि यहाँ हमें सिलिकॉन की प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स बतानी है। तो यहाँ हमारा मेन की कंसेप्ट क्या हो जाएगा? प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सिलिकॉन. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट द की कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज key concept of this question is preparation of silicon. Okay, so what is silicon? Silicon is a giant polymer molecule. Silicon is a giant polymer molecules having silicon oxygen bond is present, having silicon oxygen bond is present. Silicon oxygen, it's a strongest bond, so that's why it is a non-reactive molecule. Silicon oxygen bond is present, so it's a non-reactive molecules, and silicon is bonded with four oxygen atoms. If the we discuss about the structure, silicon is bonded silicon atom is bonded with four oxygen atom, and every oxygen atom every oxygen atom is connected to every oxygen atom is connected to connected to two silicon atom. Okay, so here we talk about the preparation. Silicon is prepared from pure silicon. Silicons is prepared prepared from pure silicon. Pure silicon that is obtained by the reduction of silicon oxide. That is obtained by silicon dioxide, that is also called the silica, in the form of sand in the form of sand in the form of sand with carbon at high temperature with carbon at high temperature at high temperature. Okay, so generally silicons are produced from silica in three stages. So first we write the reaction of the preparation of silicon. So the silicon dioxide is heated with two carbon molecules to form silica in the solid state, and two molecules of carbon monoxide is formed. Generally generally silicons are produced generally silicons are produced produced this one uh, produced from silicon produced from silicon in three stages. In three stages. First is synthesis of chlorosilicons. Synthesis, synthesis of chlorosilicons. Second one is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of chlorosilicons. Chlorosilicons. And third one is condensation and polymerization. Condensation, condensation and polymerization. So that's why it is urgent polymer molecules. Here the oxygen and silicons are arranged in a alternating stage. Here silicon is a polymer and it is a chain of alternating oxygen and silicon atoms. Oxygen and silicon atoms that are frequently combined with hydrogen and the carbon. In this, सिलिकॉन इज अ जेंट पॉलीमर मॉलिक्यूल. सिलिकॉन क्या है? एक पॉलीमर मॉलिक्यूल्स है जिसमें सिलिकॉन ऑक्सीजन बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट होने की वजह से वो क्या होता है? नॉन रिएक्टिव होता है. सो सिलिकॉन इज बॉन्डेड विथ 4 ऑक्सीजन एटम. अगर हम इसका स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है? जिसमें सिलिकॉन 4 साइड से ऑक्सीजन एटम से बॉन्डेड होता है और एवरी ऑक्सीजन एटम इज कनेक्टेड विथ 2 सिलिकॉन एटम्स, है ना. तो अब ये सिलिकॉन का हमने जनरल डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया. अब सिलिकॉन कैसे प्रिपेयर होता है? सिलिकॉन प्योर सिलिकॉन से बनाया जाता है, ठीक है. और प्योर सिलिकॉन किससे ऑब्टेन होता है? फ्रॉम द सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड in the form of sand with carbon at high temperature. हाई टेम्परेचर पे सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड को कार्बन के साथ हीट करने पे जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट है वो क्या बनता है? सिलिकॉन एंड 2 molecules of carbon monoxide is obtained. अब जब सिलिका का हम फॉर्मेशन करते हैं, प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, तो इसमें जनरली 3 स्टेजेस होती है, ठीक है. फर्स्ट स्टेज क्या होती है? सिंथेसिस होती है, then hydrolysis, then condensation, and obviously it's a polymer, so last step is polymerization, and it is a chain of alternating oxygen and silicon atoms that are frequently combined with hydrogen and carbon, that are frequently 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 combined with hydrogen and कार्बन. अगर हम इसका जनरली इसका स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें, जैसा कि हमने दिया है कि जो इसका स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो कुछ किस तरीके से होता है? 4 सिलिकॉन इज बॉन्डेड विथ 4 ऑक्सीजन एटम. अगर हम इसका स्ट्रक्चर देखें तो ये कुछ इस तरीके से होगा. ऑक्सीजन, सिलिकॉन, ऑक्सीजन, and this one is silicon and oxygen, silicon, oxygen, this. Okay, every oxygen is connected with 2 silicon. So here the structure of silicon is just like this. Okay, this is the structure of silicon dioxide. This is a simpler description of the preparation of silicon with the help of chemical reactions. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.